Now see exercise 5.6. Now what is given? Fill in the blanks. Now see, if we do multiplication with 10 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 0, 0. 7 ones are 7. What is the answer? 70. When if we write like this, 10 multiplied by 7. 7 10s are 70. We know it very well. Then 100 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 0, 0. 7 multiplied by 0, 0. 7 ones are 7. If we write like this, 100 multiplied by 7. What we do? We write 7 and add 2 zeros here. Then see 1000 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 0, 0. 8 multiplied by 0, 0. 8 multiplied by 0, 0. 8 ones are 8. Suppose we write 1000 multiplied by 8. So what is the answer? We first write 8 and then add these 3 zeros. Okay, so this 1, when we are multiplying by 10, we add plus 1. When we are multiplying by 100, we add here 2 zeros. When we are multiplying by 1000, we add 3 zeros here. Okay, now see the page number 82. Fill in the blanks. So first example is 7 multiplied by 10. 7 tens are 70. We know it very well. Now see 57 multiplied by 10. So 57 tens are, how will we write? 570. Means we are adding here 1 0. 570. Then third example is what? 143 multiplied by 10. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to write down 143 and we have to add this 1 0 in the answer. So it will become 1430. Now see fourth example. 675 multiplied by 10. So first we have to write down 675 and then add this 1 0. So what is our answer? 6750. Now see fifth example. 638 multiplied by 10. So first write down 638 and then add this 0. So what is the answer? 6380. Now see sixth example. 9 multiplied by 100. 100 nines are how much? 900. We know it very well. 100 number we are multiplying by 9. So we have to add here 2 zeros. Now seventh example is 89 multiplied by 100. So we have to first write down 89 and then add this 2 0. So what is the answer? 8900. Then eighth question is 76 multiplied by 100. So first write down 76 and then add this 2 0. So what is the answer? 7600. Now see ninth example. 8 multiplied by 1000. 1000 multiplied by 8. What is the answer? 8000. 3 zeros. We have to write down. And then 10th example, 5 multiplied by 1000. 1000 multiplied by 5 equal to 5000. So we are adding these 3 zeros in the answer. So properly write down all these answers in your textbook. Good morning students. Now today we will see our page number 83. Exercise 5.7. So first the question is what? Multiply. First is 8 multiplied by 20. Very simple, directly we can do here multiplication. 28s are. 28s are how much? 160. So we can write down directly answer. Now second question is 60 multiplied by 7. So 60 multiplied by 7. So we can do here 7 multiplied by 6. How much? 7 6 are 42. And we have to add 1 0 there. So what is our answer? 420. Okay. Now see third question. 40 multiplied by 6. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 4 multiplied by 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 we have to write down and add here 1 0. So what is the answer? 240. Then fourth question. 90 multiplied by 8. So what we have to do? 9 multiplied by 8. 9 8s are how much? 72. And then add 1 0. So what is our answer? 720. Now see fifth question. 17 multiplied by 30. Okay. 17 3s are how much? 51. So we can write here 51 and then add this 0. So what is our answer? 510. Now see sixth example. 22 multiplied by 40. Here also we can do multiplication of 22 and 4. 22 multiplied by 4. So 22 4s are how much? 88. So write down 88 and add this 1 0. So it will become 880. Now see 69 multiplied by 20. Now 69 multiplied by 2. 2 9s are 18. What is the carry? 1. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 30. So what is the answer? 138. And we have to now add this 0. So it will become 1380. Now see 8th example. 17 multiplied by 7. So 17 multiplied by 7. 17 7s are how much? 119. So 119. So we have to add here 1 0. So what will our answer? 1190. The ninth question is what? 91 multiplied by 7. So we have to do here multiplication. 91 multiplied by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 nines are how much? 63. So what is the answer? 637. 637 and we have to add here 0. So what is the answer? 6370. Okay. So in this way we can write down all these answers in the textbook. So write down these answers in your textbook. Now see 10th example. 32 multiplied by 300. So what we will do here? 32 multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 96. So write down first 96 and then add this to 0. So what is our answer? 9600. Okay. Now see 11th question. 19 multiplied by 200. So 19 2s are how much? 38. So we have to add this 20 here. So what is our answer? 3800. Then what is the 12th question? 18 multiplied by 500. So 18 5s are how much? 90. And we have to add this 20. So what it will become? 9,000. So 18 multiplied by 500 equal to 9,000. Then see 13th example. 900 multiplied by 9. So 9 9s are how much? 81. And then add this 20. So what it will become? 8,100. Okay. Now see 14th question. 30 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 40. So first do the multiplication of 30 multiplied by 5. So 30 multiplied by 5. How much? 3 5s are 15. And add this 0 here. And then 150 multiply by 40. So 150 multiply by 40. See, 150 multiply by 4. 4 multiply by 0. 0. 4 5s are 20. What is the carry? 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So what is our answer? Here 600. And this 0 we have to add, then it will become 6000. Okay, so you write down the answer like this. Then see 15th example. 17 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 30. 17 tens are how much? 170. Okay, and multiply by 3. 3 multiplied by 0, 0, 3 7 are 21, carry is 2, 3 1 are 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 510. But that is the answer of 170 multiplied by 3. And then we have to add this 0, so it will become 5100. So write down answer like this. Then see 16th example. 7 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 60. First we have to do multiplication of 7 multiplied by 10. 10 sevens are 70. Okay. 70 multiplied by 60. See. 70 multiplied by 60. 7 6 are how much? 42. 42. You write down first 42 and then add these two zeros. So it will become 4200. Okay. So in this way you have to solve this multiplication in your textbook. Now see this 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th question you have to write down in your notebook. Write down exercise 5.7 and write down this 17th question. What is that? Rajesh has 76 20 rupees notes. How much money does he have? राजेश नाम का एक लड़का है, उसके पास 76 इतने 20 रुपी के नोट्स हैं। 20 रुपीस के नोट सबको पता है ना? तो राजेश के पास 76 20 रुपीस के नोट है। How much money does he have? So what we have to do? We have to do here multiplication. So here also in each separate box you will write down these numbers. So write down 76 multiplied by 20. Okay. 0 multiplied by 6, 0. 0 multiplied by 7, 0. Then write down here compulsory 0. Then 2 multiplied by 6. 2 6 are 12. What is the carry? 1. Write down here carry 1. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Okay. Now add this. Zero plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. This pi as it is. This one as it is. 1520. This compulsory 0 we have to write down every time like this when we are doing the multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Okay. Now what is the answer? 1520. So we can write down. So he have rupees 1520. Okay, so everything as it is you write down in your notebook. Now see 18th question. A truck was loaded with 50 basket of fruit. एक ट्रक में 50 बास्केट थे. किसके बास्केट थे? फ्रूट्स के बास्केट थे. एक ट्रक में 50 बास्केट फ्रूट के रखे हुए थे. लोडेड मीन्स रखे हुए थे. ईच बास्केट वेड 42 किलोग्राम्स. एक बास्केट का वेट कितना था? 42 kilograms था. What was the weight of the fruit? हुआ वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू डू हियर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो do here multiplication. I am drawing here boxes so that you can write like this in your notebook as it is. Okay, means in each separate box you have to write down each separate number. So now multiply. 2 multiply by 0, 0. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now this 4, we have to multiply this 50 by 4. So we have to give here compulsory 0. Compulsory 0 means we have to draw first 0 and then give this plus sign in that 0. That is called as compulsory 0. Now start multiplying. 4 multiplied by 0, 0. 4 5s are 20. So write down here 20. Then add these numbers. Now add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. These two as this. So what is our answer? 2100. So we can write the last statement as, so the weight of the fruit is 2100 kilogram. kg also we can write down, that is the short form of this kilogram. So you write down everything as it is in your notebook. Now see 19th question. Sunita has 992 10 rupee notes. सुनीता नाम की एक लड़की है जिसके पास 992 इतने 10 रुपीज के नोट्स है. 10 रुपीज के नोट सबको पता है? यस, पता है. हाउ मच मनी डज शी हैव? सो वी हैव टू डू हियर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो राइट डाउन these numbers, multiplication sign. So we have to add these numbers. Okay, first do the multiplication. 0 multiplied by 2, 0. 0 multiplied by 9, 0. 0 multiplied by 9, 0. So compulsory 0 we have to give. Then start multiplying by 1. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 1 multiplied by 9, 9. 1 multiplied by 9, 9. Now add these two. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 0, 9. This 9 as it is. Okay. So what is the answer? 9920. So we can write the last statement. So she have rupees 9920. So you write down this last statement also. So everything as it is you have to write down in your notebook. Now see 20th question. A man has 36 50 rupee notes. एक आदमी है जिसके पास 36 50 रुपीस के नोट है. 50 रुपीस के नोट सबको पता है, जिस पे 50 लिखा हुआ होता है. हाउ मच मनी डज ही हैव? तो उसके पास कितने पैसे हैं? सो दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो यू राइट डाउन 50 multiply by 36. So In this way, you write down each number in each separate box. Okay, now start multiplication. 6 multiplied by 0, 0. 6 5s are 30. Write down here 30. Write down here compulsory 0. 3 multiplied by 0, 0. 3 5s are 15. Now add these two numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. And this one as it is. So the last statement we have done. So he had rupees 1,800. So write down as it is in your notebook.